This prestigious project is next to the pristine beach in the north of Mauritius. Your gateway to a new lifestyle. Cap Marina, an upscale water village, complements our existing range of luxurious residences in Mauritius. A privileged setting with multiple benefits. A leisure village with access to fine dining and exclusive services. Cap Marina provides high-end amenities at your doorstep. With a panoramic view of Cointemere, awaken your senses at our unique lounge bar overlooking the sea. Feel the vibe in the air. Relax at the clubhouse and enjoy kayaking in the middle of a lush tropical environment. Dare to dream with Cap Marina. Featuring luxurious and tasteful fittings, the apartments and villas are a work of art. Spacious terrace with a chic outdoor swimming pool. Our 1 to 5 bedroom properties boast an alluring elegance. Enjoy a private lifestyle with splendid outdoor spaces and beautiful surroundings. An exclusive lifestyle on a tropical island. The properties are available as from only $210,000. Sail your way home to Mauritius with Cap Marina.